Sending a voice note on your iPhone is one of the most simple, convenient features that make communication feel more personal and direct. Whether you're impatient to send a quick message or want to include a little extra warmth and emotion in your words, voice notes are a great way to connect. The process is straightforward, just a tap or two and you're ready to speak your mind. You're not required to worry about typing out long messages, particularly when a quick voice recording is all you need. Sending voice messages is one of those iPhone features that quickly becomes second nature. GadInsider has got you a guide on how you can send voice messages on your iPhone. Initially, launch a message conversation and tap the plus button. This might seem counterintuitive as there's a Microsoft button on the other side of the text box. From the menu, tap Audio. If you've rearranged your messages menu, it might be under the More section. Now record what you want to say. There's no requirement to hold anything down to keep recording, but you'll need to tap the Stop button when you're done. Finally, tap Send. If you'd like to listen to your voice message before you do, you can hit the play button to hear it back.